Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into a critical component for marine enthusiasts: the heavy-duty marine ignition switch for boats, model MP390601 by AIPICO. If you're looking for the best marine key switch on the market, look no further. Designed specifically for marine applications, this ignition switch is built tough to withstand the harsh marine environment. It features a robust construction with a brass housing, ensuring durability and reliability even in saltwater conditions. The switch is rated IP65 for protection against dust and water ingress, making it suitable for both freshwater and saltwater vessels. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a marine ignition switch that combines durability, reliability, and ease of use, the heavy-duty marine ignition switch for boats MP390601 by AIPICO is an excellent choice. Its rugged build and marine-specific design ensure that your boat's ignition system stays dependable trip after trip. That wraps up our review of the MP390601 ignition switch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.